Hello, my name is Praveen Andrews. My friend, welcome to this video. Pour 1 cup dried black chickpeas into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add water to cover the top of the chickpeas by 3/4 inch. Let it soak overnight, 12 to 24 hours if possible, at the least for 6 hours. Drain the chickpeas to a saucepan or pressure cooker. Add 1 tablespoon salt and pour water to cover the chickpeas by 3/4 inch. If using a pressure cooker, cook on high heat until pressure is built up and the cooker releases steam, or the pressure cooker valve moves in a rapid fashion, or the cooker display indicates high pressure. Then reduce heat to medium-low, that is level 4 out of 10, and cook for 26 minutes or so. If using a saucepan, bring to a boil over a high heat, then reduce heat to medium-low, cover, and simmer for 1 hour or until the chickpeas are cooked well. Drain away the cooking liquid. And pour the chickpeas into a large mixing bowl. In the same mixing bowl, combine the following ingredients: 3/4 cup red onion, finely chopped, one and a half carrots, finely chopped, half bell pepper, seeded, deveined and finely chopped, one and a half tablespoons fresh lemon juice, one tablespoon oil, olive oil preferred, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Garnish with half cup cilantro leaves and 15 curry leaves. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to click the like button. And I'd recommend you check out one of the videos listed on the screen, just like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.